What speed is that?
Oh man, I have to go back to the gearbox, so those are over there. This one's over here, we're on top. And I'm going to the gearbox. The lower setting, so this is the high speed, so this is we're at 1050.
Show me one in low range. Why, it sounds like it runs smoothly.
Low range, we got all the oil levels are all good. Can come back up. It'll settle back down in a minute right after it runs.
So I'm just getting a picture of the sight glass.
Dripping back down. So we want to go a little. Let's go for 37. So we'll put those down there. And front is over here. And we are on the low speed, which is going to be here.
Okay.
37 RPM.
Yeah, well, some people hog metal, so.
Well, yeah, we use that.
When you're hogging metal, you go a little bit slower. Okay. Nice to see that carriage move, and we know the half nut doesn't work, so I know that already.
Lock it up down here. We've got all this. We'll put the power on it. Let's go a little faster speed so we can keep moving.
So you like running this machine?
I like this one better than that one just because it's so solid.
Right. Now I'm going to take a, yeah, just let it go for a second. Looks like you got nice, really clean dials. Looks like you keep the machine really clear. So the compound's moving across.
And we'll reverse it.
Okay.
Same thing coming back over there now.
Yeah. Going the other way. All right.
Take this collet out here before it flies out.
Very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
The rack over here.
Get a quick shot of the doilies underneath the. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Jokers.
Well, you do make fantasy movies here. Fantasy
Well,
movie sets.
Yeah, it's all unusual. Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's
That's about it.
that.
It all works.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.